And as this new journey unfolds, you will realize that your faith has been strengthened. What once seemed like an unbearable burden has now become a reminder of his strength. God not only healed his wounds, he used them to shape a new you, more resilient, more serene, more aware of the power that dwells within you. Every challenge overcome now becomes a living witness to divine love and grace. What lies ahead is a horizon full of possibilities. Walk without fear, for God is before you, preparing paths, opening doors and lighting your throat. What was once darkness now becomes light. Where there was darkness, there is now trust, for he who began the good work in you is faithful to complete it. Your history is still being written, and the next pages are full of hope and expectation. Your steps now are lighter. You carry within you the certainty that you are not alone. The past no longer defines your present. Fear no longer imprisons your dreams. You have been restored to live to the fullness, to be a beacon for others still walking in the dark. Your life is now a living witness to what faith can accomplish. God touched his pain, and through it, revealed his greatness. So move on, inspire deeply. Feel the peace that now dwells in you. There is no longer reason to look back with regret, but with gratitude. Every tear, every sadness, every challenge was part of the divine process. You won, and as you continue on this journey, take with you this unshakable truth. You have been healed, strengthened, and chosen to live a new story, a story of light, love, and purpose.